Hey guys, it's me Ian, and today I will be doing a slime giveaway. Thank you for the 72 subscribers. So the first rule to enter the slime giveaway is you have to like, comment, sorry about that. You have to be subscribed. You have to comment down below that you subscribe, and you have to like this video. And also, you have to share this video with at least one person. And the last thing is to give me your email. Comment down below your email. So if you win, I could contact you. And last, this giveaway will end on the 21st of July 2018, so that will be this Saturday in America, in California. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys, thank you for everything.